Hi there, Emmanuel here, and you probably found this video because you're looking into this affiliate list bot. You're looking for an affiliate list bot review, or you're just doing your research. You found the product and you're wondering whether or not you can make this work or not. Alright, so I'm going to go into that in a second, but if you're not already a subscriber to the channel, then please just take a second, just hit that subscribe button below, and also remember to tick on the bell icon so that anytime I do release a new video, you will be the first to get notified. You won't miss out on that. And I'm doing that consistently. If I find anything, if I find any products worth a review, any tips, any tricks, anything I think potentially is going to help you with your marketing, then I'm going to put a video out there. So make sure you don't miss out on that and just hit that subscribe button below. Also, I have a free 4-part affiliate marketing course. It will teach you the essentials of affiliate marketing. If you want access to that, I'm going to leave a link, further down on this video. If you click on that, you get completely free access to that free 4-part affiliate marketing video course. Okay. Anyway, so let's get started. So this is called Affiliate List Bot. So it's a piece of software, really, and it says it's by one of the owners called Chris. That's all we get, just Chris. And it says how Chris builds his buyers, lists, and banks. Yeah, and as you can see here, if you try and X out, you can actually get this a lot cheaper. But let's have a look here. So he says you can make $576 a day on auto commissions from ClickBank, JVZoo, Warrior, and Amazon. And they're also going to give you access to the reseller rights to some of the tools that they use, so you can actually sell those as well and make 100% of the commissions. Now, of course, these things are great if you're a newbie and you just don't have a clue how to build a funnel, because it does take time to build a funnel. You need an opt-in page where somebody leaves their name and email address. You then need to send them onto some sort of a sales page. Usually it's got a video on there as well. And then from the sales page, you're hoping that they click over to the offer and then they buy. That's kind of a basic funnel. And most newbies wouldn't have the skills to do that, which is why softwares like this come out. And it's great, I mean, I haven't seen the funnels, but I'm assuming they're going to be okay. Maybe it might be cartoon type funnels, who knows? But I don't think they're going to be horrible funnels. A funnel's a funnel, It's not about the funnel, really. If you can tweak a funnel and make it work. I'm going to tell you what the main problem is with this in a little bit, but let's just go through this sales page. 100% done for you sites. So they're going to do some done for you funnel sites, which, like I said, I think they're going to look all right. Earn 100% commissions. Get free traffic fast. There's the problem, but we'll talk in a bit. Get 100% of the leads, become a super affiliate, $400,000 of resale rights, get unlimited funnels. So this is the page. Basically, like a lot of these Warrior Plus pages, they just make things seem a little bit too easy. Just too simple. Very, very targeted at a newbie who doesn't know anything and just thinks, this is the answer. All I need to do is log in. I choose 100% done for you affiliate campaign. So it'll be any campaigns that are linked to things like JVZoo. I think they've got 10 JVZoo products that you can promote, or there's 50 like ClickBank and other products you can promote, and then get free traffic to it, and boom, you're ready to go, and you're going to make all these sort of commissions that they make. But they forget to tell you that they've been doing this quite a long time, and they don't actually get traffic in this way. They're usually product producers. They bring a new product out, and then affiliates sell it, and they get commissions that way. But anyway, here's the page, and these are some of the products, 100% done for you, leads, traffic, and commissions on some of their products. You're going to get buyers as well. It's going to connect to your autoresponder. So if you're at a place where you know what autoresponder is, you can connect it up to any one of these, which is great. It means that if anybody opts into the squeeze pages, it'll go straight onto your list, and you get to keep all of those. This is the software, like they said, $400,000 worth of software, and you can get to give those away, or you can sell them on as well. So nothing wrong with that, and then you can put your buyers on ClickBank or from your offers. But here's the bit now, alright? So it says here you can get one-click integration from over 100 autoresponders, like we just spoke about, 20 money-making funnels. So like I said, I think the funnels are going to be fine. They're going to be opt-in pages. They're then going to go to sales pages. We're going to have videos on them as well. 100 professionally created done for you videos. So it's going to be a video sales page. So they're going to build out the whole funnel. They're going to put your affiliate links. If you have affiliate links to products on JVZoo or ClickBank or whatever, and they're going to, show you some of the offers that are trending and that you can use and all this sort of stuff. 100% free traffic campaigns preloaded into the app. Now there's the problem. When they're talking about the traffic, what they're talking about is they're going to give you 100 social media places that you can go on and you can share the link to your sites, to your funnel that they're going to build for you. Now, most of them are going to be in obscure social media places that nobody uses or nobody's even heard of. And the ones that do have the loads of traffic, unless you already have a following on that social media platform, it's not going to help you to get traffic. This is where these things fall down. They don't show you properly how to get traffic. If I gave you a link now and said, here, look, this is a link, go and put it on your Facebook, unless you've got thousands of followers that are engaged in your content, and probably if you're at that stage, then you're probably not needing to sell this sort of stuff. But if you go and just share a link on YouTube, on Facebook or on Twitter or any of those social media platforms, it's probably nobody's going to follow that. Do you know what I mean? You probably haven't got anybody on there. You probably got, like, if you're a newbie, you probably got like 4 odd people on your Facebook page. And that's not going to make you, even if you get lucky and one of them click on it and decide, yeah, I'm going to buy this, that's not going to make you these sort of commissions that they're talking about. And then on top of that, now they're saying to you, look, it's only $17. They say $21, but you can X out. And they're going to give you $12,970 worth of bonuses, and you're going to get that for $21. I mean, like, you know, come on. Sometimes when people say something's too good to be true, sometimes it really is. You're going to get a funnel builder, which is nothing wrong with that, but you're still going to need to learn how to drive traffic. If you don't know how to drive traffic to these things, then it doesn't matter. You're just going to have a funnel built online and nobody's going to come to it. You need to get, and the way they're talking about free traffic, you're not going to get any traffic that way. So don't be mistaken with that. You can get this. I mean, what is it? $21 initially. There's upsells, as there always is with these things, because that's where they make their money. $21 is the initial thing. Like, you can X out, you can get it cheaper. I think it was $14 there. I think it's $17 you really get it at. Then there's an unlimited version, $29. Autopilot version, $39, are done for you, so they can actually build it out all for you. That's $97. You get reseller rights to all the things in this funnel that I'm saying to you here. And rather than get 50%, you'd get 100% of all the commissions. You get more commissions if people buy this. Or you can get some mega bundle, which is $197, which you get more software tools. I think it's 37 more software tools that the owners actually had. They give you access to that as well. So as long as you know what you're buying. You're knowing you're buying a funnel builder, which is going to build out a funnel for you for certain JVZoo products, but you're still going to need to learn how to drive traffic, you know? So, you know, I hope that helped. I hope that helped you anyway in your buying decision. Whether or not you want to get it is entirely up to you, do you know? If what you're looking for really is a way to learn affiliate marketing, to learn the essentials of affiliate marketing, and that's kind of what I can help you with, because I used to buy all of these types of products. I was a shiny object buyer. I buy them all because I thought it's easy, free traffic. Just go, you build this funnel and that's it. You go and put a link on Facebook, and obviously it doesn't work. Do you know what I mean? You're going to find, like I had to find, you're going to go full circle and you're going to have to come around to learning affiliate marketing properly, you know, which is what happened to me. But I was lucky. I met 2 mentors. They taught me the basics. They taught me about traffic, turning traffic into leads and turning leads into sales, and doing that on a consistent basis. You know, that's how you kind of make affiliate marketing work. That's why I put together this 4-part affiliate marketing video course that will teach you to do the same, to go from where you are now to a place where you are getting traffic, where you're turning that traffic into leads and turning those leads into sales. And you're doing that on a consistent basis, you know. So if that's something that may be of interest to you, like I said earlier, I'm going to leave a link below this video. Click on that. You get completely free access to that 4-part affiliate marketing course. You know, if nothing else, there's going to be loads of gems in there. Probably learn a few things as well about all this sort of stuff, you know. By the way, listen, I hope that helped. I hope you got some value from this. If you did, please take a second. Just give it a thumbs up. Also share it with anyone else you think might get some value from it as well. If you have any comments, any questions at all, then please just leave it in the comments box below. Well, once again, thanks for listening. Until next time, you take care. I'll speak to you soon. All the best.